Saudi Aramco, safety, question, and answer. Question: the CSMH-A is condensed version of the full-size CSM. B lists common safety rules for Saudi Aramco construction. C is intended for use at the job site by company, representative, and contractor, supervisor, and safety officer. D. All of above. Answer: C is intended for use at the job site by company, representative, and contractor, supervisor, and safety officer. Question: when an accident happens, you shall A. Call the police. B. Clean up the accident scene. C. Report immediately to company proponent. D. All of the above. Answer: C. Report immediately to company proponent. Question: within dash of being aware of an incident, the company representative shall notify the area loss prevention officer A. 1 hour, B. 1 day 24 hours, C. 6 hours, D. 12 hours. Answer: B. 1 day 24 hours. Question: contractor safety officer or site safety supervisor shall A. interact with the company representative on health and safety issues, B. inspect work site daily, C. keep record of all safety meetings, D. all of the above. Answer: D. all of the above. Question: the contractor must provide one toilet for every A. 50 workers, B. 15 workers, C. 25 workers, D. 10 workers. Answer: B. 15 workers. Question: safety belts, waist belt, shall be used for fall arrest if it is rated at 2,450 kilograms. A. True, B. False. Answer: B. False. Question: the Saudi Aramco Sanitary Code states that A. Eating is allowed on the worksite. B. You shall provide one toilet for every 50 persons. C. You shall provide drinking water and a dipper. D. None of above. Answer: D. None of above. Question: housekeeping required are A. Collect trash, debris and refuse monthly. B. Use open-topped containers for trash. C. Bend down or remove nails and bore. D. all of the above. Question: site planning for the lay-down yards include A. Proponent approved, lay-down yards shall be at least 30 meters, 100 feet, away from building. B. A study and grounded, perimeter fence, with fire engine, access shall enclose the area. C. Fire protection is not required as per CSM Appendix D. all of the above. Answer: B. A study and grounded, perimeter fence, with fire engine access shall enclose the area. Question: the contractor shall provide first aid facilities for his employees, which include A. a first aid cabinet on each job site. B. At least on man, at every remote site shall be trained in first aid. C. A dedicated emergency vehicle, ambulance, must be provided, I transport injured persons. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: when more than 50 employees work inside a 15 kilometers radius, then shall be A. a nurse or first aid facility, B. a toilet, C. a fire extinguisher, D. none all of the above. Answer: A. a nurse or first aid facility. Question: full body harness shall be preventing falls greater than A. 1 meter, 3.33 feet, B. 1.5 meter, 5 feet, C. 1.8 meter, 6 feet, D. none all of the above. Answer: C. 1.8 meter, 6 feet. Question: foreman supervisor shall A. prepare and submit an HIP for loss prevention, review and approval, B. investigate accidents and reports finding, C. conduct safety meeting, D. assure that work permit procedure is followed by all subordinates. Answer: C. conduct safety meeting. Question: a preliminary report is due within 24 hours complete with a copy to loss prevention. A. true, B. false. Answer: A. true. Question: drivers shall not allow passengers to ride in their vehicle unless they have seat belt and use it, except buses, where a seat belt is mandated only for drivers. A. true, B. false. Question: heavy equipment drivers shall A. covers the windows to protect their eyes from the sun, B. allow passengers to ride in their vehicles without wearing a seat belt, C. drive with speed if there is no vehicle in front of him, D. report any accident or damage immediately. Answer: D. report any accident or damage immediately. Question: there are 3 kinds of work permit in Saudi Aramco system. A. true, B. false. Answer: B. false. Question: countersignatures shall be obtained by issues and receivers. A. true, B. false. Answer: B. false. Question: gas testing for the work permit should be done by A. a certified Saudi Aramco gas tester, B. the contractor, C. the inspector, D. none all of the above. Answer: A. a certified Saudi Aramco gas tester. Question: the work permit should be revised if there is any change in the condition. A. true, B. false. Answer: A. true. Question: common excavations risks include A. cave-in, B. toxic gases, C. striking buried service lines, D. all of the above. Answer: D. all of the above. Question: shoring for excavations shall include A. vertical excavations that are greater than 2.4 meter, 8 feet, deep shall be shored. B. shoring boxes shall be kept occupied during movement and installation. C. Trench shield walls must extend above the excavation walls. D. None of the above. Answer A. Vertical excavations that are greater than 2.4 meter, 8 feet, deep shall be shored. Question. Transportation for the flammable liquids shall be in closed metal containers. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question. Ladders at the excavation should be placed within shored area and tied off to prevent slipping. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question. Slope walls are not acceptable as a substitute for shoring. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question. Type dash soil is mix of sand, rock and clay must be slope at A. Class A 3/4 to 1 slope or 53 degrees, B. Class B 1 to 1 slope or 45 degrees, C. Class C 1.5 to 1 slope or 34 degrees, D. None of the above. Answer B. Class B 1 to 1 slope or 45 degrees. Question. Exit ladder at confined space entry into a 1.2 meter 4 feet deep or deeper trench. A. Must be placed every 7.5 meter 25 feet set at 75 degrees angle. B. Shall not be extended above the ground level. C. Must be secured. D. Only answer A and C are correct. Answer D. Only answer A and C are correct. Question. For demolition, the approved HIP should describe the following. A. Isolation of specific utility service. B. Debris from demolition shall not be rendered because it might to used later. C. Work permit requirement. D. All of the above. Answer A. Isolation of specific utility service. Question. When working where asbestos and others are present, A. Paper dust mask should be worn. B. Showering and washing facilities shall be provided for all asbestos workers at the all-job site and used daily by each man. C. Beard will allow a safe seal with respirators. D. None all of the above. Answer B. Showering and washing facilities shall be provided for all asbestos workers at the all-job site and used daily by each man. Question. Acetylene becomes unstable at pressure 103 kilopascals 15 psi. A equal. B. Below. C. Above. D. None of the above. Question. The reason that acetylene cylinders be stored, handled, and used in the vertical position is A. To prevent the acetylene and liquid acetone from separating. B. To allow it mix with air. C. To make it easy to be stored. D. None of the above. Answer C. To make it easy to be stored. Question. In order to store cylinder safely, A. They should be stored in safe, dry well-ventilated place. B. Flammable substance should not be stored in the same area. C. They should be not stored near a source of heat. D. All of above. Answer: D. All of above. Question: Welding and cutting torches shall be A. Constructed of brass, bronze or stainless steel. B. Bear a UL or FM label. C. Have colored code hashes. D. All of above. Answer: D. All of above. Question: Flashback flame arresters should be placed on both the regulator and torch. A. True. B. False. Question: All grease may be used on oxygen cylinder, fittings or system. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Question: Handheld power tools that are plugged into a welding machine. A. Shall have a GFCI. B. Shall be made from conductive materials. C. Are not allowed. D. None of the above. Answer: A. Shall have a GFCI. Question: Welding hoods shall be worn by the welder and helper. A. True. B. False. Question: Compressed gas cylinders requirements. A. Don't use cylinders have dents, rust, gouges or burn marks. B. Make empty cylinders as empty with chalk. C. Remove from service any compressed gas cylinder in violation of the regulation. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: Leak check on cylinders may done by A. Using a lit match. B. Applying a soap water solution. C. Listening for a hissing sound. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Applying a soap water solution. Question: A work permit is not required for blasting operation. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Question: The dash is responsible for all safety aspects of the explosive operation. A. Safety officer. B. Blaster, in charge. C. Supervisor. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Blaster, in charge. Question: Crane can be used to extract hammer-driven piles. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Question: Piles driving equipments need to have a veiled inspection sticker. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question: Crane shall not be used as pile drivers and shall not be used to drop any load. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question: Can be used to extract hammer and driven piles. A. Sound lifting gear. B. Crane. C. Steam, air, or electric extractor. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Steam, air or electric extractor. Question: Trenching and road closer require A. Work permit. B. Roadwork and road closure plans submitted to loss prevention. C. Notices published in the Saudi Aramco, highlights, and notice before the road closed. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: to reduce the traffic hazards, a flagman shall be positioned to warn approaching traffic of active roadwork. B. English-only signs must be posted. C. Arabic and English signboard must be posted. D. Only answer A and C are correct. Question: ladder shall be used on top of the scaffolding work platform. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Question: in order to use stepladder safely. A. 2 men should be on ladder at the same time to balance the ladder. B. Never stand on the top step. C. Step ladder should be used to gain access to roof or other elevated surfaces. D. Lean it against wall for support. Question: pressure testing, GI2, 102, covers what type of tests? A. Hydrostatic. B. Leak tests. C. Pneumatic tests. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: damaged ladder should be A. painted. B. remanufactured. C. removed from the site. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Removed from the site. Question: extension ladders shall be extended 0.9 meter, 3 feet, above the landing. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question: erected scaffold required that A. erection and assembly shall be done by trained and authorized persons. B. inspection shall be made every day. C. that erection plan is submitted to loss prevention for all scaffoldings above 38 meters, 128 feet. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: scaffolding planks, A. shall be painted. B. shall not be cracked more than 12 inch. C. shall not extend beyond the end frame. D. All of the above. Question: don't support scaffold on concrete blocks, barrels and scaffold planks. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question: all electrical operated hand tools, A. shall be plugged into GFCI. B. shall be bear a UL and FM label. C. electrical power can be used up to 220 volts AC. D. Only A and B are correct. Answer: D. Only A and B are correct. Question: all sandblast components and work surfaces shall be electrically bonded to the compressor, and the compressor grounded to a permanent ground to prevent static electricity buildup. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. In tarring operation, A. Tar shall heat on rooftop. B. Hot asphalt shall be lifted in buckets. C. Temperature of hot asphalt may exceed 232 degrees Celsius 450 degrees Fahrenheit. D. None of the above. Question. Load charts and range dimensions shall be displayed in every crane cab. A. True. B. False. Answer. A. True. Question. Crane booms shall be kept, from overhead power line up to 250,000 volts, and, above 250,000 volts. A. 6 meter, 20 feet, 7.5 meters, 25 feet. B. 9 meters, 30 feet, 10.5 meters, 350 feet. C. 12 meters, 40 feet, 13.5 meters, 40 feet. D. None of the above.